Good morning, folks. This week we're going to wrap up a bit of information regarding the impacts of the social class. So last week, one of the things that was mentioned in your work was this idea that education can be the great equalizer between, or among, I should say, the various social classes. It's often viewed as a vehicle to providing opportunity for all in order to experience social mobility in society. So I'd like to hear your thoughts about this idea. You're going to see a discussion post where I'd simply like you to give me your opinion on the issue. Is education in fact the great equalizer, or is it not so much? All you have to do is give me your opinion there and then support that with at least two explanations. All right, at least two explanations. From there, I'm going to have you go and take a look at a presentation here, which will consist of a handful of slides regarding what's known as the Kuznets curve. And as you're going to see, the Kuznets curve is a way of plotting the degree of social inequality, or stratification, if you will, according to the type of society that we find. All right, so with that presentation, you're going to see a set of questions. As you work yourself through the slides, just simply answer those questions so that I can see that you gain the necessary information. And then finally, we're going to wrap up with a few questions regarding the issue of poverty, and in particular, it will deal with some of the structural issues in society dealing with poverty, and also provide us with a few closing statistics regarding poverty, particularly in the United States. So you're going to be working out of Section 3 of Chapter 9 in your textbook. You'll find a few questions attached to that assignment, and once you get through those questions, that will generally wrap up our examination of stratification, and we'll be set up to move on to our next topic next week. So if you have any questions, as always, please contact me by school email, because Schoology tends to be a little delayed with the messages. Otherwise, looks like a rainy week, but that is spring. So have a great week, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.